La da 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 dee. You're not breaking me.
It's currently 7:25 a.m. I literally just woke up and I went to the beach with my brother. So because I'm going to the beach, I'm not going to do my full skincare routine. I'm just going to put some sunscreen on my face to protect it. I'm going to slather it with sunscreen. I'm wearing this whole piece suit from Forever 21. I've had it for years and I feel like the bands are starting to loosen up because it's not offering the support it used to, but that's okay. This is the top of the suit. This is the back. I won't show the whole bottom. So I'll see you guys at the beach. Okay. The hotel is open again? Oh, that's nice. It feels nice.
Oh boy. Is it cold? The test. You said I go to I was not too well done, please.
For the test?
I didn't even know it was a test.
Have I wetted you?
No.
Okay, now you can take a picture. Good morning, crab. Are you having a nice day? Are you having a nice day? Charge! She's running.
These are shy.
An adorable bird's nest in the trees. This is something we see very often because we live around nature and there are a lot of birds. We're back from the beach and I'm going to have some breakfast. But first I'm going to take my ginger shot. This has ginger, turmeric, honey, lemon, and black pepper in it. And I've been taking it every morning for the past 2 weeks. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory benefits and it actually tastes really good. So get my morning dose of health, and I like to take this like first thing in the morning before eating anything or drinking anything. It's actually really refreshing. So for breakfast this morning, I'm going to have a pear, a grapefruit, and I'm going to make a tuna salad and have it with some crackers. Baby, Oh, I have a watch.
Are you blind?
It's 10:40. This is my breakfast. So I'm going to sit and enjoy it. Hi everyone, so I'm back in my bathroom. I just took a nice long shower after waking up from like a 4-hour nap. And I was actually planning on taking myself on a little date and taking you guys with me, but it's raining pretty bad. Like the weather went from being such a beautiful, clear-skied morning to very gloomy and rainy. And I'm not feeling in the trek through the rain type of mood. So I'm just going to stay home. So I'm going to do some jade rolling because I feel like my face is super puffy today. So I'm going in with my vitamin C serum from Naturium. Puffiness. My jade roller is clean. I wash it after every use to make sure that there's no buildup of bacteria. And the funny thing is, I've never even watched a video showing me how to use the jade roller. So I don't know if I'm using it correctly, but it does feel really fantastic. I don't know, my face just looks super puffy. I don't know if it's because of the nap or what. I don't know. Now I have this maskne spot right here. It's actually going down. And I wanted to put on a light. I wanted to put on a light sunscreen, so I'm going in with the Skin Success Vitamin E Fade Cream, and it has vitamin C, vitamin E, and sunscreen. Now, it doesn't say what the SPF is, which is why I don't like to use it often, but I'm not going anywhere. And the weather is gloomy, so I won't need an SPF 40. It's Monday, and I'm on my way to run some work errands. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I know I said I wanted to take myself on a date, but I actually changed my mind and I'm going to get a birthday gift for my best friend. Hopefully I can get what I'm looking for, but I will definitely get myself a little treat, maybe a chai or something. But first I have to run my work errands. That's first priority, and then I'll do anything extra that I need to do. It's more convenient that way. I'll be in Rodney Bay anyway, so I'll just get it out of the way instead of having to go back there after work. So yeah, let's go. Let me see if I'll be able to, because I positioned this in such a way, so I wonder if I'll be able to drive. Let me try. If it falls, it falls, you know. Now I'm saying if it falls, it falls, but for now it seems to be steady. Let me try and drive, but I won't be able to listen to my music because I'm using my phone to record. But let's see how this goes. I mean, the whole point of filming while driving is to do a car ride karaoke, right? So how am I supposed to listen to my music if... Hey, what's I press? Lord have mercy. Let's go. Yeah, I can do it. Boy. And I really hope I'm in frame. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. People are going to stare. People are going to stare. Maybe I should use the front camera. You see somebody already staring. Someone's already staring. Let me use the front camera. Okay, this is so much better. But people are still going to watch. You know, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. And literally all the time, like when I walk in public, I always have headphones on because I get super anxious. But whatever, we move. We move. So I went to Skin Science first, have to price a few things and find out if they have duty free. Hi, I'm fine. I'm not buying, I just came to price. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Two things or three things. The moisturizer. I feel like you've told me before, but how much are the selenite towers?
25, 25, 50, and 200.
Okay.
50, let's say $57.
57.
Yes.
You have lapis lazuli?
Yes, I have small sizes and I have big sizes. Which size is the small size is good?
I don't really like them. These are like the raw ones.
All of them are.
All of it. I don't like it.
You
I like the bright ones, the polished ones.
You like the bright polished ones? Just
Yeah.
let me see if I get that color.
Okay. You know what I'm talking about, right? Like the blue one. What you want to see? I'm buying it, so. Thank you. Alright, bye-bye. My name, Faith. Okay, so I got, but I need to get back to the office, so the other things will have to wait until another day. So I'm in the vehicle again with my mom and my brother. We're going to the mall and then we're going to my granny's house. So they're going to do a little shopping and I'm going to get my treat from earlier that I did not get with my mom's money. Yeah. Hi, G. So I'll see you guys at the mall. Latte. We have caramel.
No caramel flavor. 5 green tea vanilla.
Can I get vanilla? And can I get a white chocolate latte chiller?
What topping? Caramel or topping?
Chocolate.
That's it for you?
Yeah. What are the other flavors? What's that one? The swirl. The swirl.
That's marble.
Marble? Yeah. Oh, can I get that one, please? To have? Yes, please. The man came inside there following me. I just didn't watch him and he went outside. Yeah, I know that man for years. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have to sanitize and both of my hands are full. Let's do this. Good evening. Yeah. Hey, did y'all get through? You got everything? Ooh, shopping. My boy's shopping.